Hello, everyone, and welcome to Smart English Official, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Lima.
Hi, Lima. It's great to see you. How are you doing?
I'm wonderful, James. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. You seem especially cheerful today.
I am. The weather is lovely and sunny. It's a perfect day.
It really is. And we have a useful new topic to share with our audience.
That's right. A very useful topic. It's important information to have.
Absolutely. But first, a quick reminder for everyone to subscribe to our channel, Smart English Official.
Yes, please subscribe. And if you could give this video a thumbs up and share it, we would really appreciate it. Let's help everyone learn English.
Okay. So, Lima, what are we discussing today?
Today, we're going to learn about visiting the doctor.
Oh, the doctor. Very important, though not always enjoyable.
No, it's not, but it's something everyone has to do, especially when you're unwell.
Unwell?
Yes. For instance, when you have a headache.
Right. A headache or a stomach ache.
My stomach. Oh, that hurts.
That doesn't sound good.
It isn't. So, James, let's imagine I'm feeling ill today.
Oh dear. What seems to be the trouble, Lima?
I have a headache and I feel very warm.
Warm? Oh, you might have a temperature.
A temperature?
I believe so.
So, what should I do?
You should visit a doctor. The first step is to telephone the clinic.
I call the clinic on the phone.
Correct. On the phone. Ring, ring, ring.
All right. I make the call. What should I tell them?
You can say, "Hello, I would like to make an appointment to see the doctor, please."
Hello, I would like to make an appointment to see the doctor, please. Oh, that's straightforward.
Yes, it is. The person who answers, the receptionist, will assist you.
The receptionist.
Yes, the receptionist. They are there to help. They will probably ask, "May I have your name, please?"
And I reply, my name is Lima.
Well done. Then they might ask, "Can you tell me what's wrong?"
And I say, I have a headache and I feel very warm.
Precisely. You explain how you feel. That's key.
Okay. So, my name and my symptoms. What happens after that?
They'll book a time for you. They could say, "Are you available at 10:30?
10:30. Okay. I can say, yes, that works for me.
Excellent. Or if you have another commitment, you could say, "I'm sorry, I can't make 10:30. Would 11:15 be possible?"
That's helpful. So I can suggest another time.
Yes, you can. It's a discussion. They are there to accommodate you.
That's good to know. So now I have a scheduled time.
A booking.
A booking?
Yes, that's the term. You have a booking with the doctor.
My booking is for 10:30. Next, I go to the clinic.
Right. You arrive there. You enter and you might see the receptionist, possibly the one you spoke to.
Okay. So I approach the counter. What do I say?
You can say, "Good morning, I have a booking for 10:30. My name is Lima."
That is perfectly clear. Good morning. I have a booking for 10:30. My name is Lima.
Yes, exactly. The receptionist will likely say, "Thank you, please have a seat. The doctor will be with you shortly."
Have a seat. All right. So, I wait.
Yes. You wait in the reception area. There are seats and sometimes there are books or magazines.
Magazines can be interesting. I can browse through them.
Yes, it makes the wait feel shorter. Then you'll hear your name called. Lima. Yes,
A nurse will call you. The nurse assists the doctor. The nurse will escort you to an examination room.
I see. And I wait for the doctor in that room.
That's correct. The nurse may ask you a few questions first.
More questions? Oh my.
Just simple ones like, how are you feeling now?
Okay. I can say I'm still not well. My head hurts.
Perfect. The nurse might take your temperature, perhaps with a device for your forehead or under your tongue.
Yes, a thermometer, to check if you have a fever.
A thermometer. Okay, I see. After the nurse, the doctor will enter.
The doctor? Hello, doctor. Yes, the doctor will greet you. Hello, Lima. What brings you in today?
And I explain again. I have a headache and I feel very warm.
Yes, you give the doctor all the details. Perhaps your throat is also sore.
My throat? Yes, like when it's painful to swallow. Ouch.
That's correct. You can say, I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat and I have a headache.
Headache. Yes, that's the specific term for when your head hurts.
Headache. I like that word. It's useful. I have a headache.
Good. So you inform the doctor, I have a headache, a sore throat, and I think I have a fever.
Oh dear, I must be quite unwell.
Unwell. Yes. In our scenario, you are. The doctor will pay attention. The doctor will listen carefully and seem thoughtful.
Yes, they are considering how to help. The doctor might say, all right, let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
What does the doctor do?
The doctor will examine your throat. They use a small light. They will say, could you open your mouth and say, ah?
Ah, like this?
Yes, just like that. Very good.
Thank you, James. Then what?
The doctor might check your heartbeat with a stethoscope.
A stethoscope? That is a long word.
It is. It's the instrument doctors often wear around their neck.
Oh, I've seen that.
Yes. They place it on your back or chest. That's right. And they might say, breathe deeply in and out.
In and out.
Perfect. You're being a great patient.
Thank you. I'm doing my best. So the doctor examines me and then understands the issue.
The doctor will then explain what you should do.
Ah, the recommendation. What would the doctor say?
The doctor might say, it seems you have a cold.
A cold. Yes, I know that. When you sneeze, achoo.
Yes, achoo is the sound. So you have a cold. The doctor will offer some guidance.
What sort of guidance?
Basic advice, such as getting plenty of rest.
Rest? Can you explain that?
Rest means to relax, sleep, and avoid strenuous activity. Stay calm and quiet.
Okay, so get lots of sleep. I can manage that.
Me too. The doctor will also advise. Make sure to drink plenty of fluids.
Water and juice are good. I like them.
So rest and fluids.
Is there anything else?
The doctor may prescribe some medication.
Medication? Like tablets or syrup?
Yes, it could be either. The doctor writes the details on a form called a prescription.
Prescription? I see. A form for medicine.
Exactly. You take this prescription to a chemist.
The chemist. Is that where you get medicine?
Yes, the chemist or pharmacy is the shop for medicine. You give the form to the staff, and they give you the medication.
That's right.
And they will explain the dosage. For example, take 2 tablets each day after meals.
2 tablets daily after meals. Okay, I need to remember that.
Yes, it's very important to follow the doctor's and the chemist's instructions.
So I return home, take my medication, drink fluids, and rest.
Yes, and after several days, you should start to improve.
Great. I am feeling better. My head is fine. My throat is better.
That's the best outcome. Feeling well again. It's wonderful to be healthy and content.
Yes. Taking care of your physical health is so vital.
It truly is. And Lima, sometimes when we feel unwell, the issue isn't with our body.
What do you mean, James?
I mean, sometimes the pain isn't in our head or our stomach. It's in our feelings, our heart.
Ah, I understand. Like when we feel lonely or upset.
Exactly. When we are sad. A medical doctor can't always fix that.
That is very true. Medicine from the chemist doesn't heal emotional pain.
But during those times, we can turn to someone who can help. We can speak to God.
Speak to God? You mean through prayer?
Yes, through prayer. It's like talking to a friend. It's simple. You can tell God anything.
Anything like, "Dear God, my heart feels heavy today."
Yes, just like that. He hears us. He is always with us.
That's a comforting idea, that He is listening.
It is. And He knows us completely. He understands our hearts. He knows our thoughts and our emotions.
So He knows why we are hurting.
Yes, exactly. He understands us fully. Only He can bring peace to a troubled heart.
That is very reassuring, James.
Yes, a joy that fulfills. So when your heart is heavy, talk to God. Pray. It is the best remedy for the soul.
That is beautiful advice, James. Thank you for mentioning that. It's about caring for our entire being.
Yes, precisely. Both our physical and our inner self. Well, this was an excellent discussion. Very informative.
I agree, James. A huge thank you to all our fantastic viewers for watching Smart English Official today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope you found this lesson useful. We'd be delighted to hear from you. Please write a comment for us below.
Tell us, what new word did you learn? Perhaps booking, headache, or prescription. Let us know, and please remember to subscribe to Smart English Official and share this video.
Sharing helps others learn.
It does. Thank you once more for watching, everyone. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye for now.
Take care and be well.